Now that you know how to use Newzilla to find articles, it is important to learn how to read the articles with a purpose. As such, I will demonstrate how to determine the main idea of a paragraph, as well as the author's purpose for writing. Let us begin with the main idea of a paragraph. The main idea can be described as the most important thought being expressed about the topic, or the point that is being made. It is usually expressed in the first sentence or last sentence of a paragraph. Let's take a look at the first paragraph of this Newsletter article about other burial sites that may be hidden in King Tut's tomb. We can already tell by the title that the first paragraph will probably be making a point about the undiscovered mysteries that lie inside of King Tut's tomb. The paragraph reads as follows. Even students who do not pay attention in history class know the story. The 1922 discovery of Tutankhamun's tomb by British archaeologist Howard Carter was the archaeological discovery of that century. Now, a find of similar importance could soon be unearthed in a chamber directly beneath the tomb of King Tut, also known as the Boy King. After reading this paragraph, it is plain to see that the main idea is the final sentence of the paragraph, as each sentence before it is supporting the notion that this new discovery is important. The importance of the discovery of King Tut's tomb is only mentioned as a basis of comparison for this new, equally important discovery. Now that we know how to determine the main idea, let us determine what the author's purpose for writing is. There are three essential purposes for which an author would write: to inform, to persuade, or to entertain. When one is writing to inform, that person wants you to know facts about a particular topic. When one is writing to persuade, that person is typically trying to convince you to pick a side on a problem or issue. And when one is writing to entertain, that person is aiming to tell a story. Since this article does not present an issue or tell a story, it can be concluded that this person is writing to inform, and the fact that this article mainly presents facts is evidence of this. Now that you know how to determine the main idea and the purpose, try it for yourself with another article of your choosing.